Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna share you how to make a homemade ice cream. And now let's start. So the first ingredients that I use is a coffee creamer. I'm using butter cookie because I don't have butter pecan flavor. So I'm using this one bottle and a vanilla jello instant powder. Ayan, paghalo-haluin lang natin yung mga ingredients sa isang kaserola. Okay, 1 quart of heavy whipping cream, okay, next is 1 quart of half and half, a grade A homogenized ultra pasteurized, and 2 tablespoons of cake batter. Okay, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract flavor. Ang bango niya guys, promise ang sarap nito. Okay, so ang gagawin lang is let's bring it to boil and just keep continuous stirring para hindi masunog yung ilalim. Ayan, so hindi mo siya as in pakuluan ng as in kulong-kulo, no, just bring it to boil, like makikita mo yung parang foamy sa ibabaw, meaning mainit na yung mixtures. Ayan, so kung makita mo yung parang foamy sa ibabaw, it's enough. Okay, next is itunaw natin itong butter. Nakikita nyo guys yung parang nagbabubbles, so may halong tubig kasi ito, so kailangan mo lang siyang tanggalin. Paano malaman? Yung magsa-stop na yung ano niya, yung tunog niya. So ibig sabihin is ready, wala na yung tubig, kasi para hindi siya mag-soak doon dito sa pecan. Ayan, so isangag lang natin siya until it gets brown or hanggang magiging crunchy siya. Ayan, so I added 2 cups of pecan. Ayan, so isangag lang natin siya and then durog-durogin natin siya ng konti. Ayan, alright, kung crunchy na siya, so patayin nyo na yung apoy. Ayan, so durugin nyo na siya ng parang ganito. Okay, next na gagawin is isaling lang natin yung mixtures dito sa tub or bowl ng ice cream maker or container ng ice cream maker. Ayan. Make sure lang na hindi siya punong-puno, kasi once na mag-froze na siya, may tendency umapaw. Okay, ito siya yung container ng ice cream maker. So we need to prepare ice cream salt and then 2 bags of ice. Make sure na meron kayong enough ice para magamit hanggang ma-froze yung ice cream. Okay, so what we need to do is just put cube ice, and then alternate cube ice and then the salt, the ice cream salt, and then cube ice cream salt, hanggang sa mapuno yung tub ng ice cream maker. Ayan, so i-froze lang natin ng konti yung mixtures. Ayan, froze na siya. So, it's ready to add the flavor, pecan flavor. Ayan, bango. Ayan, so yan yung 2 cups of pecan. And then, takpan lang natin uli siya. And then, let's do this like about 30 to 45 minutes. So, that's enough to froze the ice cream. Ayan, so just keep putting ice in the tub para mag-froze siya ng mas mabilis. The more ice, the more na mag-froze ng mabilis. Here we go, guys! Yay! Bango-bango. Ayan na ang ating homemade ice cream. Siyempre, tikman na natin ang ating ice cream.